Absolutely.
Most definitely.
Very good event.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So what's going to happen next? Party tonight or?
Ice cream and lager. Lots of both.
You got me rocking and a rolling, rocking and a reeling, Bobby Ran, Bobby Ran.
It's far too much.
What did you do different this time?
I just took the gate, no more. Improve what I had done wrong up to my first one. So yeah, that was good.
So how do you feel about it?
Feel good.
Good feeling?
Be the first of the oldies, good feeling.
It's fantastic. Yep, no, all the gates are subtly placed in with the water going just past them, so you've got to keep paddling to all of the gates. It's I think it's been well designed.
I got all the gates. I had to do a couple of extra eddies, but apart from that, it was good.
Can you already tell us what you will do a little bit different next time, or?
Oh yes, I know exactly what I'll be doing. In good race practice, I'll be trying to get the third last gate direct rather than eddying out, and not get too high into gate 8 so I can make the cross to gate 9.
Okay, I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Tell me, what is the secret of becoming #1 in the World Masters game?
Don't stop paddling. Such a great sport. I've enjoyed it all my life, and I just keep paddling. You know, I've had a few little breaks along the way, but keep coming back for more. Definitely. Yeah, it's been great catching up with old friends. I'm looking forward to a couple of beers afterwards, so maybe more than a couple.
Hey, and Andy, what's next? Preparing for 2012 London?
We'll see. No, not London. Maybe 2013. It's my mum and dad's 50th wedding anniversary in Europe, and that's when Turin is on, so who knows.